We've moved to having Zoll Defibs in the respiratory D area, and this is the old style end tidal port that used to connect to the Philips. We've now moved to this style, so just that's a cautionary note. There should be none of the old end tidals left in respiratory D. They should have all moved to this. Charlotte's going to now briefly show us how this connects onto the Zoll.
When you initially turn the machine on, you have an on-off button. Turn it on, it will default into AED mode.
Attach pads.
To actually get it to the monitoring, you will need to press manual mode, and then that will give you the monitoring area. The CO2 fits into this module that's attached from the back, and it will actually just slide in like that, and it will have a CO2 monitoring warming up, and then you will actually be able to attach that appropriately as per old machine. The defib pads again are slightly different. They should be found attached, that way around, already pre-attached, where you would just literally open up the pads, attach them to the patient, and then you will be able to actually deliver a shock. This defib defaults into a 120 joule for the first manual shock. If you want, it will automatically increase after every shock, up to 3 shocks, so it'll go for 120, 150, 200. If you actually do want to select the energy yourself, you can actually do that using the energy select button. To charge the defib, you press charge. To deliver the shock, it is this button here that will flash when the charge is at the right joulage. If you don't want to deliver the shock, the only way that you can actually dump that charge is basically press energy select down or up. So for example, if I press charge, oh, it does say disarm there.
And there's another way to do it.
And there's another way to do it.
One important thing to note is that you cannot connect an arterial line trace or a CVP line trace to these monitors. So if your patient has got an arterial line or a central line in, we're going to be using the Philips monitors, which are static in each bed space, purely for the monitoring of these two things. We will have a transfer monitor, so if you need to transfer a patient and have ongoing arterial line and central line pressures, that is possible to do, but it will be on 2 different pieces of monitoring kit.
If you do want to deliver a DC cardioversion, then you can actually press this. The sync button is here, and you would actually do it in the same way, where you would actually select your energy, you would charge, but it does again increase the energy. For the cardioversion, it should actually increase incrementally by itself as well, but again, if you can actually do that by the energy select buttons.
The other thing we've done in each of the resus rooms is put a laminated flow sheet to help people with the ventilation settings when setting up to ventilate a patient suffering with COVID. They're attached to each of the ventilators, and then we've also got them on the walls, including a weight conversion chart on the end of here. There's a related video if you wanted to watch that, starring Jazz.
Can I just add one thing about the Zolls? The resuscitation team are doing training regarding the Zolls, and before you actually use them in anger, I suggest we should actually be getting everybody trained on the Zoll machine, and your name will actually be documented as actually having appropriate training. This is not appropriate training for this machine.
This is just our how-to guide, just so that you can get familiar.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.